This makes labelling very simple. We follow date dots, okay? Anything that you cook or produce has 3 days. So if you make it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is the expiry date. And here is a little diagram when you use the date dots. Date prepared, DP on a Monday, used by Wednesday. So you put the date prepared and the use by date. The use by date must be the Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay, so you make it on a Tuesday, the Thursday, the Wednesday. Now, when you freeze anything you cook, okay, it has 1 month. 1 month.
Yep.
So, I'm going to explain that. So, if you make it on Wednesday, yeah, when does it expire?
Friday.
Yeah. So, Monday to Wednesday. And when you freeze one,
Yeah.
you've got how many months?
1 month.
1 month, that's it.
Yeah.
But that's the food that you make in your freeze.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right?